Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making rice balls to pack the kids' lunch box. It's very simple and quick to make. You can add whatever ingredients you like to pair with the rice. It's really good, tastes great, and looks pretty as well. And I hope you'll find this recipe useful. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make rice balls. For this recipe I am using half cup of boiled sticky rice. If you are using regular rice, while cooking boil it little more soft so it will be easy to mold. To the rice I am adding 2 tablespoons of finely chopped carrot, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of finely chopped onion, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seeds, little less than 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. One tablespoon of ghee, combine everything really well. This is basically combining rice with other ingredients and molding it into tiny rice balls. I am using this mold to make rice balls. You can use any mold which you have at home. To the molds I am adding some rice. Cover the mold and shake well. Let's pack the lunch box. There you have cute rice balls. This is one of the ways to make the kids finish their food. To the rice, you can add your kids' favorite vegetables or meat. You have to keep giving them differently so they will enjoy their food. So there you go, simple and quick rice balls to pack the lunch box. You can upgrade this by adding vegetables, eggs or meat for more colorful and flavorful rice balls. If you find this recipe useful, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.